Hello students, today let us understand how to prepare primary overhead distribution summary and secondary overhead distribution summary under repeated distribution method, which is also known as step ladder method and continuous distribution method. Here we have a problem, simple problem. So by using this we need to prepare primary distribution summary and with that secondary distribution summary, and we need to calculate machine hour rate, which is very much important for 14 marks. Indian manufacturing company has 3 production departments A, B and C and 2 service departments X and Y. They have clearly stated 3 production departments, that is A, B and C, and 2 service departments X and Y. The following is the budget for February 2013. They have given budget for the month February 2013. The first information is direct materials and direct wages. Here the direct materials and direct wages has to be considered only to the service departments, not to the production departments. We have to consider direct material and direct wages expenses to the service department X, to the service department Y only. We are not supposed to consider to the production departments because it has to be accounted. So no need to transfer to other departments. We are supposed to transfer expenses of, that is direct expenses of only service departments to the production departments. So we are supposed to consider direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses. If they give, means we are supposed to consider only to the service departments, not to the production departments. And they have given some of the expenses: factory rent, power, depreciation, other overhead. And also they have given additional information. So this additional information has to be used for the purpose of apportionment of these expenses. In the sense, factory rent has to be apportioned based on the area square feet, based on the area, and power has to be apportioned between the production departments and service departments, normally by use of HP, in the sense house power of machine. But in this problem they have given machine hours also. So we are supposed to distribute power expenses to the production departments and service departments in such a way that machine hours into HP of machine. In the sense, first we are supposed to multiply machine hour with the HP of machine, then we are supposed to distribute power expenses to the production departments and service departments. Normally we are supposed to distribute this power expenses with the help of the HP of machine, but in this problem, since they have given machine hours as well, we are supposed to multiply HP of machine with the machine hours, then we are supposed to distribute these expenses to the production and service departments. Then they have given depreciation. So depreciation has to be distributed to the production departments and service departments on the basis of capital value of the assets. But in this problem, since they have given machine hours as well, first we need to multiply capital value of asset with the machine hours, then we are supposed to distribute depreciation expenses to the production departments and service departments. Capital value into machine hours. So first we need to multiply capital value with the machine hours, then we are supposed to distribute depreciation expenses to the production departments and service departments. And then they have given other overhead. This other overhead expenses has to be apportioned with the help of the direct wages to the production departments and service departments. The information which they have given, this first two information whatever they have given, it is for the purpose of preparation of primary distribution summary. So after preparation of primary distribution summary, we are supposed to prepare secondary distribution summary with the help of the repeated distribution method. So further they have given another information: a technical assessment for apportionment of the cost of service departments is as follows. So after preparation of the primary distribution summary, we are supposed to redistribute service departments expenses to the production departments in the given percentage basis. For the service department X, it has to be distributed 45% to the A, 15% to the B, 30% to the C, and 10% to the service department Y. Then service department Y's expenses has to be distributed in the proportion of 60% to the department A, 35% to the department B, and there is no share for department C, and 5% to the service department X. So you are required to distribute overheads to various departments and redistribute service department cost to the production department. In the sense, first we need to prepare primary distribution summary. After preparation of primary distribution summary, we are supposed to redistribute service department expenses by preparing secondary distribution summary, and also compute machine hour rates for production departments A, B and C. After preparation of secondary distribution summary, we are supposed to find out machine hour rate for the production department A, B and C. So first let us find out the value of machine hours into HP of machine and capital value into machine hours. Here first multiply capital value into machine hours. 20 into 1000 you will get 20,000, 40 into 2000 you will get 80,000, 20 into 4000 you will get 80,000, and 10 into 1000 you will get 10,000, and 10 into 1000 you will get 10,000. So if we make a total, it will be equal to 2 lakh. Whatever the data which I have marked in the marker, that is total. So if you make a total of capital value of asset into machine hours of all the departments, it will be equal to 2 lakh rupees. Then multiply machine hours into HP of machine. 1000 into 50, it will be equal to 50,000. 2000 into 40, it will be equal to 80,000. Then 4000 into 20, it will be equal to 80,000. 1000 into 15, it will be equal to 15,000. 1000 into 25, it will be equal to 25,000. So if you make a total of machine hours into HP of machines of all the departments, it will be equal to 2,50,000. So if you make a total of area square feet, 500 plus 250 plus 500 plus 250 plus 500, it will be equal to 2000. So for the purpose of distribution of other overhead, we are supposed to make a total of direct wages. So direct wages total will be 5000 plus 2000 plus 8000 plus 1000 plus 2000, it will be equal to 18,000. So now let us prepare the overhead distribution summary, that is primary overhead distribution summary. The format will be, first we are supposed to write the items in the sense particulars, then the basis of apportionment, in which basis we are going to apportion the expenses, then we are supposed to write a total amount which is going to be apportioned, then we are supposed to write the production departments and service departments separately. First we need to transfer direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses if they have given in the problem. In this problem they have given direct materials and direct wages, so we are supposed to transfer direct materials and direct wages. The basis of apportionment will be actual, in the sense whatever the information they have given in the problem, that has to be transferred. And you should keep in your mind the direct materials, direct wages and direct expenses should be accounted, should be considered only to the service departments, not to the production departments. So here direct materials for service department X and service department Y is 2000 and 1000 respectively. Here they have given 2000, 1000 direct material, and direct wages is 1000 and 2000. So 1000 and 2000, just make a total. 2000 plus 1000, it will be equal to 3000. 1000 plus 2000, this will be equal to 3000 rupees. So then distribute factory rent. Factory rent has to be apportioned based on the area square feet. So first write the expenses, that is factory rent. It has to be apportioned based on the area square feet. The total expenses is 4000 given in the problem. So write 4000. This has to be transferred to all the departments by use of area square feet. So 4000 into 500 divided by 2000, it will be 1000 rupees. In the same way, 4000 into 250 for department B divided by 2000, it will be equal to 500. In the same way, 4000 into 500 divided by 2000, it will be equal to 1000 again. In the same way, 4000 into 250 for service department X divided by 2000, it will be equal to 500 rupees. In the same way, 4000 into 500 for department Y, that is service department Y, divided by 2000, it will be equal to 1000. These amount, in the sense production departments and service departments amount should be equal to 4000. Yes, 1000 plus 500 plus 1000 plus 500 plus 1000 is equal to 4000. Then we have apportioned properly. Then power. So as I told you before, power has to be apportioned based on the machine hours into HP of the machine. We have already calculated machine hours into HP of the machine: 50,000, 80,000, 80,000, 15,000 and 25,000. The total will be equal to 2,50,000. So power expenses is equal to 2,500. They have given 2,500. So we have to apportion based on the HP into machine hours. So 2,500 into 50,000 divided by 2,50,000. You will get 500 for department A. In the sense production department A. Again 2,500 into 80,000 divided by 2,50,000. You will get 800 for department B. Next 2,500 into 80,000 divided by 2,500. You will get 800 for production department C. In the same way, 2,500 into 15,000 divided by 2,50,000, you will get 150 for service department X. Then for the service department Y, it will be 2,500 into 25,000 divided by 2,50,000. It will be equal to 250. Then we are supposed to distribute depreciation expenses. So as I told you before, depreciation has to be apportioned based on the capital value of the asset into machine hour. So we have already calculated capital value of assets into machine hour, that is 20,000, 80,000, 80,000, 10,000 and 10,000. The total will be equal to 2 lakh. So depreciation given in the problem is 1,000. So 1,000 into 20,000 divided by 2 lakh, you will get 100 for production department A. Then 1,000 into 80,000 divided by 2 lakh, you will get 400 for production department B. Then for production department C, 1,000 into 80,000 divided by 2 lakh, you will get 400 for production department C. Again 1,000 into 10,000 divided by 2 lakh, you will get 50 for service department X. Next for service department Y, 1,000 into 10,000 divided by 2 lakh, you will get 50 rupees. Then the last one, other overhead. This has to be apportioned based on the direct wages given in the problem. So other overhead amount is 9,000. So 9,000 rupees. 9,000 into direct wages for production department A 5,000 divided by 18,000. You will get 2,500. Then for the production department B, 9,000 into 2,000 divided by 18,000. You will get 1,000 rupees. Again for the production department C, 9,000 into 8,000 divided by 18,000. You will get 4,000 rupees. Then for the service department X, 9,000 into 1,000 divided by 18,000. You will get 500 rupees. Then for the service department Y, 9,000 into 2,000 divided by 18,000, you will get 1,000 rupees. So after apportionment of the expenses, we are supposed to make a total. So total column will be 22,500. So then we are supposed to make a total of each department separately. For the production department A, it will be equal to 4,100. For the production department B, it will be equal to 2,700. 500 plus 800 plus 400 plus 1000. Then for the production department C, it will be equal to 6200. If you make a total of 1000 plus 800 plus 400 plus 400. The same way for the service departments also we are supposed to make a total. It will be equal to 4200 and 5300 for service department X and service department Y. So after apportionment of various expenses, we are supposed to redistribute of service department expenses to the production departments in the given percentages. They have given the percentage. On the basis of these given percentages, we are supposed to distribute the expenses of these two service departments to the production departments till it becomes zero. So first let us distribute service department's X expenses to the production departments and service department Y. The total of service department X is rupees 4,200. This has to be apportioned to the production departments and service departments on the basis of 48%, 15%, 30% and 10%. So write minus 4,200 in the place of production service department X because we are distributing the service department X expenses to the production departments and service departments. So minus 4,200. So now calculate the proportion of each department based on the given percentages. So for the production department A, it will be 45%. In the sense 4,200 into 45%, you will get 1,890. Then for the production department B, 4,200 into 15%, so you will get 630. 4,200 into 30%, you will get 1,264 C. Then for the service department Y, 4,200 into 10%, you will get 420. So after distributing service department X expenses to the production department and service department Y, we are supposed to distribute service department Y's expenses to the production departments and service department X. So now the total of service department Y is 5,300 plus 420. It is 5,720. This 5,720 has to be apportioned to the remaining departments based on the given percentages. So here write minus 5,720. So 5,720 into 60% for department A, you will get 3,432. Next 5,720 into 35% for department B, you will get 2,002 rupees. And for the department C, since it is nil, write nil here. So then calculate for service department X 5,720 into 5%, you will get 286. So next again we are supposed to distribute service department X expenses to the production departments and service departments. Here we have only 286 because this 4,200 rupees is already been distributed to the production departments and service departments. So write minus 286. Again calculate the amount based on the same percentage. So 286 into 45%, you will get 128. So if you get any approximate value, just round it off to the nearest value. So 286 into 15%, you will get 43 rupees. 286 into 30%, you will get 86 rupees. And again 286 into 10%, you will get 28.6. So round it off to 29 rupees. So again this 29 rupees has to be distributed to the production departments and service departments in the given proportion. So write minus 29. So 29 into 60%, you will get 18 rupees. So you just write the difference to the production department B, that is 29 minus 18. You will left with the 11 rupees. So just write 11 rupees to the production department, because to the service to the production department C, the proportion is nil, so don't distribute single digit value to the service department, because if you distribute single digit, in the sense 1 rupee to 9 rupee to the service department, it will be difficult for you to redistribute to the production department, because we cannot distribute decimal values to the production department. ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 18 rupees. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 29 rupees ಮೈನಸ್ 18 rupees ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ 11 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 11 rupeesನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ 1 ರೂಪಿಯಿಂದ 9 ರೂಪಿವರೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಮತ್ತು 1 and 2 ರೂಪಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವರು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ if you get any approximate value. So after distributing the values of service departments X and Y, again make a total. Here 4100 plus 1890 plus 3432 plus 128 plus 18, it will be equal to 9568. In the same way, calculate for production department B, it will be equal to 5386. And in the same way, calculate for service production department C, it will be equal to 7546. So if you make a total of this, it will be equal to 22,500. So now, since they have asked you to calculate machine hour rate, so first transfer machine hours given in the problem. They have given machine hours 1000 to the production department A, 2000 to the production department B, and 4000 to the production department C. So just transfer those machine hours. So if you divide 9568 divided by 1000, you will get 9.57. This is 1 hour machine rate. So in the same way, 5386 divided by 2000, it will be 2.69. See, here for the production department C, 7546 divided by 4000, it will be 1.89 per hour rate of each machine. So for the machine A, it will be 9.57 per hour. For the B, production department B, it will be 2.69. Then for the C, it will be 1.89. So if you calculate this much, you are going to get 14 marks. Thank you, students.